Hello everyone and welcome to section 3 where we're going to set up an Adobe Creative Cloud account. In this video we're going to go over an overview of what we're going to be learning throughout this section. So first we're going to talk about how to set up an account with Adobe Creative Cloud 2022. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up another window in incognito mode just to show you what it's going to look like when we actually go through and set up an account. And you can see here, start with a free trial. So I'll walk you through the steps to get access to an account, okay? And then once we have access to that account, then we're going to be opening up another window right here, which is Creative Cloud Web, okay? And this is going to be the core of the course where we're talking about all these different interfaces and whatnot, okay? And I'll go through that in each section that we talk about, okay? So that's what we're going to be learning in this section. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.